Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 11 trigonometry, exercise 11.4, first main, first question. The question is given here. Evaluate the following. In that first question, 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta of 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. So this is the given data, children. So what I am doing here, 1 plus tan theta means in quotient relation we can write tan theta, that is sin theta by cos theta, okay, plus sec theta we can write it as 1 by cos theta. Sec theta means we can write it as 1 by cos theta in reciprocal relation, okay. Of here 1 plus cot theta means we can write it as cos theta by sin theta minus cosec theta means we can write it as 1 by sin theta, okay. So clearly what I am doing here, a small understanding purpose, I am taking a denominator 1 by 1 తీసుకుంటున్నా. Here also I am taking 1 by 1, okay. The value does not change, okay. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1 only. Now what is the LCM? ఇక్కడ LCM ఏమొస్తుంది నాన్న? 1 cos theta. We get LCM is what నాన్న? Cos theta only. ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది, cos theta. ఈ denominators కి LCM cos theta only. Now clearly the denominator 1, how many times in that cos theta? Cos theta times. So that's why cos theta into 1 we get cos theta. Is it clear, students? The denominator 1 ఈ LCM cos theta లో ఎన్ని times? Cos theta times. So that's why with cos theta we should multiply with 1. So we get cos theta only. Plus here the denominator is cos theta. What is the LCM? LCM is cos theta. The denominator cos theta, how many times in that LCM? 1 time only. So with 1 you multiply sin theta. 1 into sin theta అంటే మనకి sin theta వస్తుంది. Plus here also denominator cos theta only. In that LCM 1 time. So 1 into 1 అంటే we get 1. So you take like this, okay. Now here also what is the denominator? 1 sin theta. So ఇక్కడ మనకి LCM ఏమొస్తుంది నాన్న? We get LCM is sin theta. Now the denominator 1, how many times in that sin theta? Sin theta times. So sin theta into 1 అంటే we get sin theta only. Plus here denominator is sin theta. This sin theta, how many times in that sin theta? ఈ sin theta, ఈ LCM sin theta లో 1 time. So that's why 1 into cos theta means we get cos theta minus sin theta, in that LCM sin theta 1 time పోతుంది. So 1 into 1 we get 1 only, okay. So simply I am taking like this. You try to observe, children. This is in the form of, ఇది ఏ ఫామ్ లో ఉంది? a plus b. Since it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. ఈ ఐడెంటిటీ ఫామ్ లో ఉంది. ఇక్కడ a అంటే వాట్ ఐ టేకన్ హియర్, ఇక్కడ బ్రాకెట్స్ తీసుకున్నా నేను, ఓకేనా. ఈ బ్రాకెట్స్ కి స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్స్ లో ఉన్నది పార్ట్ వచ్చేసి a, ఈ 1 వచ్చేసి b అంటే a ప్లస్ b, అండ్ ఈ స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్ లో ఉన్న పార్ట్ వచ్చేసి a, దిస్ ఈస్ b, a మైనస్ b. a plus b into a minus b means that is what nana? A square minus b square. ఇక్కడ a square అంటే we can write it as cos theta plus sin theta. This is what nana? ఈ కంప్లీట్ ఇది వచ్చేసి a square అంటే cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus b square means that is what nana? 1 whole square by denominator what nana? Cos theta into sin theta, that is cos theta sin theta only. Okay, now here this is in the cos theta plus sin theta whole square. ఇక్కడ ఏ ఐడెంటిటీ యూజ్ అవుతుంది నాన్న? దట్ ఈస్ a plus b whole square, that is equals to what nana? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, cos theta plus sin theta whole square ante ikkada a plus b whole square ane identity use avutundi. So clearly a means cos theta, b means sin theta. ikkada em anukovali? A means cos theta, b means sin theta. So a square means that is cos theta whole square plus b square means that is sin theta whole square plus 2ab means that is cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta. Okay na? Here minus 1 square. 1 square is 1 square means what na? That is 1 only by what is the denominator? That is cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta. Now cos square theta means what nana? That is cos theta whole square ante that is cos square theta plus sin theta whole square means that is sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Now we discussed in previous class, మనం previous class లో డిస్కస్ చేసాము trigonometric identities. That is what nana? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to what nana? 1. అంటే ఈ పార్ట్ లో పర్టికులర్ గా ఈ పార్ట్ లో మనం ఏం రాయొచ్చు? we can write it as a 1 plus ఇక్కడ 2 cos theta sin theta ఉంది. 2 cos theta into sin theta, here minus 1 is there by what is the denominator? That is cos theta into sin theta only. Now clearly minus 1 plus 1 cancel, cos theta into sin theta cancel, cos theta into sin theta cancel, అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం మిగిలింది? The remaining part is what nana? 2. So the value of the particular given question, that is what nana? 2. So this is the required answer. Okay. Okay students, now first means second question. The question is given here, evaluate sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Now I am going to use the identity. Which identities are useful here? One is a plus b whole square. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square means it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So you can expand like this: a square plus b square plus 2ab. And sin theta minus cos theta whole square means it is in the form of a identity use అవుతుంది, that is a square minus b square, అంటే a square plus b square minus 2ab. So these two identities are useful here. Okay, so sin theta plus cos theta whole square ni a plus b whole square form లో expand చేద్దాం, sin theta minus cos theta whole square ni a minus b whole square form లో expand చేద్దాం. Now see, first one, sin theta plus cos theta whole square means we can write it as sin theta whole square plus cos theta whole square plus 2ab అంటే 2 into sin theta into cos theta. Okay, plus here sin theta ఇది అయిపోయింది ఈ పార్ట్, సెకండ్ పార్ట్ plus here sin theta minus cos theta whole square means a minus b whole square form. So ఇక్కడ sin theta whole square a square means what nana? That is sin theta whole square plus b square means that is cos theta whole square minus 2ab, minus 2 into a means sin theta, b means cos theta. So that is 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, now clearly sin theta whole square means we can write it as sin square theta, plus cos theta whole square means we can write it as cos square theta, plus 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay, plus here sin theta whole square means that is sin square theta, plus cos theta whole square means that is cos square theta, minus 2 sin theta into cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. So clearly we try to observe this sin square theta plus cos square theta. Here also sin square theta plus cos square theta. Here the trigonometric identity which is useful.
One.
What is that one? Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to what? 1. Okay, this is the one of the trigonometric identity which is useful here. Now we can write here sin square theta plus cos square theta means in this place we can write 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, plus here sin square theta plus cos square theta ante ikkada kuda em rayali 1 based on this trigonometric identity, minus 2 sin theta cos theta, minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Now clearly minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta, this one cancel, ikkada 1 undi ikkada 1 undi, 1 plus 1 what now? 2. We get 2. So this is the required answer for the question. Okay, okay students, now first main third question. The question is given, evaluate sec square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, so I'm going to revise. We learnt trigonometric identities in previous class. They are, which are useful here, they are sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Okay, now this is one of the identity. So what I am doing here, simply I am transposing minus tan square theta to RHS side. Okay, now plus 1 to LHS side. Then what happens? See, ikkada sec square theta alane untundi, sec square theta ikkada unna plus 1 LHS side transpose aithe it becomes minus 1 is equals to minus tan square theta transposing to RHS side, it becomes plus tan square theta. Ante in the place of sec square theta minus 1, sec square theta minus 1, we can write it as tan square theta. Okay, na? So this is one. Next, second one, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. This is one of the trigonometric identity. So again same, I am transposing minus cot square theta to RHS side and plus 1 to LHS side. Then what happened? Cosec square theta alane untundi, plus 1 from RHS to LHS transpose it becomes minus 1 is equals to minus cot square theta, it is transposing to RHS sides, it becomes plus cot square theta. Ante in the place of cosec square theta minus 1, cosec square theta minus 1, we can write what now? Cot square theta. So I am going to write these two values in the place. So now sec square theta minus 1 ante that is what now? Tan square theta. Okay, tan square theta into ikkada cosec square theta minus 1 means what now? That is cot square theta. Okay, now we can write tan theta. Tan theta ni ela rayachu manam? You can write in reciprocal relation tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. Tan theta is equals to what, Nana? 1 by cot theta. So We can write tan square theta అని మనం ఎలా రాయొచ్చు 1 by cot square theta into here what nana cot square theta is there. So cot square theta cancel means what is the required answer 1. So this is the required solution for the question. So okay students, thank you.